nothing's happening on that button. That button doesn't work. That controls the old seat warmer for the back, for the bottom. And it ain't working. I got my keys on, but hey, nothing's happening. But when we hit the back, it comes on. The levels work. The seat positions, the memory seat, it works, but no bottom. We got to change that out today. All right, so called up our friends Tasca Parts. Oh, Bob Tasca. Sent us a new switch. More butt warmers. Got to plug everything. So looking at it, it's not going to plug right in at the door. So we're going to have to take the whole door panel apart to get to the harness on the back side of that door panel right there. So let's get to it. Okay, so get this door panel off. Looks like we've got a little plate back here. We've got to pop out, get some screws out. Same with back here. We've got a little decorative cover. We'll get those screws out right there. Alright, pop that off. Pop this plate off. We've got to take off our knob. Knob comes off, and then it's just a matter of popping the panel off around the perimeter, and we can get to the wires there. Cover off. Now it looks like we got a 10 millimeter there. Fasteners off. Ready to pop that. Let's take a look under here. Alright. Snap again. Okay, let's get this panel off. Got our little plastic wedge there. Pop the panels off. See on the back side here, so it looks like our switch goes down to our window switch, so maybe we could just pop that guy up. What I'm seeing there. Move those two screws, unplug from the window switch, and it should come right out. Oh, wait a minute. Click. Got it. Okay. Get her pop back on here. Get back in the channel. Got two channels here, this one and the one on the inside for the two lips on our door panel. Make sure you get them in. There. Okay, so before we get too far along in reassembly, let's test it out, see if it actually works. Okay. Got the key on. Boom. We got warmage going on. Level 3, 2, 1, off. The back one, yep. Yep. Now it's just a matter of putting the clips back in and putting our couple of screws back in, and she should be good to go. Alright, all the clips back in. A couple of screws here. This little guy. If I'm in a hurry, I'll use some power tools, but we got plenty of time right now. That's all like the whole hand tools. You can control how much power you're applying, how much torque. Especially the small stuff, you can easily strip the stuff out, break it, if you put a lot of power to them. We don't need none of those goofy accidents happening. Stripping things out, it's just a waste of time. So okay, our little covers, beauty covers, trim rings, whatever you want to call them. Hide the screw covers back on there. That one back in there. Got to get our old door lock knob. Alright, it's in the unlocked position, so we're going to put this right about there. Put our cover back in. And that's it. Little trim piece up top here. Looks like we've lost a few clips over the years. It's plastic, it just doesn't last very long. You can see, just snap right off. So let's see how long this will hold. Well, just one little solder there. May have to buy us a new one in the future. But that's it. Now we can take this, we can throw it away, we can hang it on the wall, maybe put it on the Christmas tree for an ornament. I don't know. It's kind of cute, maybe. Put it in the mail, send it to your buddy. So what in the world, why did he send me a switch? I don't know. But that's a bad one. Good one's back in place. We're ready for winter time. All right.